everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Laura Kimball, and I am the Executive Vice President here at Agent Pipeline. We are really excited to have you on the call today to go over NGL's brand new Medicare supplement in your market. Today, we're going to review the new Medicare supplement from National Guardian Life, the rates, how the product fits into your state, and I'll also talk about why agents choose to work with us here at Agent Pipeline and what we can do from a partnership perspective to help you grow your business. So who is Agent Pipeline? I can see from the attendee list today that many of you already work with us. Thank you again for partnering with us. For those of you that are new to Agent Pipeline or haven't worked with us before, I want to take a brief moment to discuss our size and scope and our history. I always think it's important when selecting a national marketing organization to partner with to know their history and their success in the Medicare space, because it speaks to how well we are at partnering with agents like yourself. So just a few facts about us. We actually have been named #1 for national marketing organizations in Medicare and ACA with various products. Over the past 3 years, we've done $91 million in Medicare supplement production, 215,000 Medicare Advantage enrollments, and 133,000 Medicare Part D enrollments. So we have done that over the past 3 years. Very excited about that. We owe a lot of that to the agents that we work with, and we really appreciate their partnership. Currently, we have over 120 employees dedicated to agent support. That includes our sales and marketing team, as well as our executive staff and our agent contracting division. We work with 41,000 licensed agents across the country, and over the past 3 years have processed about 83,000 agent contracts. And that number is because most agents have multiple products with us. Our company structure also provides us unlimited opportunities with technology, marketing, compliance, as well as products. We were founded in 1988, actually by my father. We were originally founded as Integrated Benefits and entered into the senior space in 2001 and rebranded as Agent Pipeline. So we're going to start talking about National Guardian Life and their brand new Medicare supplement. To dive into that, let's talk a little bit about their size and scope so you can get a feel for NGL. As many of you probably already know, National Guardian Life is extremely well-known brand in the life insurance arena. We've actually been working with NGL for the past year to help develop this new Medicare supplement, and they are fully committed to getting into the Medicare supplement space and becoming an industry leader. So a few facts about them: they were founded in 1909. They actually sold their first policy in 1910, so they have been around a very long time. They are headquartered in Madison, Wisconsin, and as I mentioned, they are well known for their history in the life insurance field, as well as long-term care and annuities. They've recently filed a Medicare supplement in 24 states, and it has been approved in many of those already. They do have an A- rating from AM Best, and you can see from their logo, they are very centered when it comes to clients and agents. Their logo represents protection, community, partnership, financial stability, and of course, customer service. So those are just a few facts on NGL's history and their size and scope. So let's talk about some of the highlights of their brand new Medicare supplement product, the reason that you're on the call today. So they have been filed again in 24 states. They are planning to expand into even more states throughout this year. Right now, they are approved in 11 states, and each week we're getting new approvals coming in. Those 11 states that are approved will start sales on May 1st, so we're very excited about that. That's right around the corner. They do have ultra-competitive rates, which we will go over your state in just a minute and let you see exactly how it stacks up to the competition. They do have a very reasonable household discount. It's a 7% household discount, and it's easy to get. We'll talk about that in just a second, too, how you qualify for that. They have very friendly underwriting, an easy-to-use e-application. That's one of my favorite features that they have is their e-application, because it does allow for electronic signatures and voice signatures. You can even get an answer from an underwriter on the decision via email when you use that process. So this product, it's obviously great for individual agents for in-home appointments, but it's also very ideal for telephonic sales and call center sales as well. We also offer top commission with NGL, And the nice thing with NGL is they do pay that daily through direct deposit, and we do offer advancing with them as well. One great thing about National Guardian Life is their electronic application as well as their underwriting, like I mentioned. What I really like about them is that they have a 2-year look back on most conditions. If you're currently in the Medicare supplement space, you know that many carriers go back 5 years instead of 2 years. So this does make it easier to place your clients with their 2-year look back. Also, they do have some managed conditions that can be approved at an underwriter's discretion. Some of the things you would typically check yes for on a Medicare supplement application, they have 3 questions on their application that if your client checks yes to it and it's well maintained, the underwriter will review the case and consider it. Some of those include mental health history, heart conditions, as well as arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis. So those are ones that an underwriter can take on a one-off basis and possibly approve those. That is unique. I have not seen that before, so I'm very excited to be able to offer that as well. They do have, too, a realistic household discount. In most states, it's very, very flexible. NGL offers a very flexible household discount. The requirement in most states is that they must live with someone, and just one of them has to be 50 or older. So it doesn't require them to be married. You could have a client that lives with their children, a loved one, or even a client that lives with one of their parents. So it is one of the most flexible household discount options out there right now. Now, some states do have their own mandates, and you can see those exceptions in the underwriting guide as well. So let's move on and talk about your local market. The primary factor in the competitiveness of Medicare supplements is, of course, the brand, how well known the brand is, how easy are they to do business, and of course the rates. What do the rates look like? You obviously want to work with a company that has all 3 of those, and NGL has that. NGL has a national well-known brand, and again, like I mentioned, they've been around since 1909. They check the box on ease of doing business with their flexible underwriting and their ultra easy e-application, as well as their contracting process. So let's move on to your local market and talk about NGL's Medicare supplement rates and how it's positioned in your state. So what we've done on these next few slides is we've taken the most competitive rates from the MedSup quoting tool that we offer and put them in a grid so you can easily see the carriers in your marketplace and how they stack up against NGL. All right, so let's go over the rates and the competitiveness of the actual product in your marketplace. We're going to go over today Utah, Colorado, Montana, and Nevada on this call. We're going to start with Utah. Utah is broken down into one area factor, so there's one zip code factor for the whole state. It's extremely competitive. We have listed on the screen here, we have Plan G, non-tobacco, with the household discount included. And we've listed ages 68, 70, and 72 just for a quick reference. It is competitive at each one of these age ranges. As you can see, age 68 is $92.15. It is lower than or right in line with the rest of the competition for that particular age range. If you move on to age 70, it's $97.42, and it's actually lower than the rest on the list when it comes to age 70. So we're very, very excited about that. Age 72, also extremely competitive, $102.38, which is the lowest one we have listed here. So we're very excited about what we can do in the Utah market with the NGL Medicare supplement. The next state is Colorado. So let's talk about Colorado. Is it competitive in the Colorado marketplace? It absolutely is. The NGL product has 2 rate factors for Colorado. One for the rural part of Colorado that we'll talk about first. It encompasses most of the state and is extremely competitive. We've used the female Plan G, and we've listed the rates again for ages 68, 70, and 72. NGL is competitive at all of those age ranges. So let's just take a look. Age 68, NGL is coming in at $103.62, and you can tell from the grid here that that's lower than most of the competition out there, so we're very excited about that. Age 70 is $109.54. Also lower than or right in line with most of the competition. And age 72 is $115.12. Again, lower than the ones we have listed here on the board. We're very, very excited about the rates we have for Colorado, but also the NGL brand. It's a national brand, and we're very excited about what that means to agents and to clients from the brand recognition perspective. So let's take a look now at Area 2 for Colorado. And if we look at that, also very competitive in Area 2. Again, we've listed out Plan G for a female, non-tobacco. And if you look at age 68, it's 110.09 for the age 68. Very competitive, lower than most of the ones that we have listed here, and very competitive in the marketplace. Age 70 is 116.39, which is lower than all the ones we have listed. So we're very excited about that. Age 72 is 122.31, again lower than the rest of the ones listed on the grid. Very excited about Area 2 in Colorado as well, and what we can do there over the next few years with the NGL product. Let's move on and we'll talk about Montana. Montana does have one essentially area factor for the whole state and is extremely competitive. Again, we've used the female Plan G and we've listed the rates for ages 68, 70, and 72. NGL is competitive at all these age ranges, but if we want to just kind of use one as an example, we'll take age 70, 103.89 it's coming in, which is again lower than or right in line with the rest of the competition. And it actually, if you look at the screen, it's significantly lower than many of those that are available there. So very excited about that. If we want to back up and talk about age 68, it's $98.27, very competitive at that age band too. Age 72 is $109.18 and lower than all the ones on the list at that particular age range. So we're very excited about the opportunity we have in Montana as well. Moving on, let's talk about Nevada. Is it competitive in Nevada? Absolutely. We have available here, we have Area 1, and just to go over the rates that we have, again, it's Plan G, non-tobacco with a household discount. First, we'll start with age 68. And for age 68, we have a price of $102.07, which is significantly lower than many on the list and right in line with the competition. Age 70 is $107.90, which again is lower than most other carriers in that marketplace. And then we have age 72 at $113.39, again lower than everyone else on the list. So we are very excited about how this product is positioned in Area 1 of Nevada. Area 2, if we take a look at that, again we have ages 68, 70, and 72 that we're using as examples. Age 68 is $115.75, very competitive. You can see some of those prices just in the top 10 alone go all the way up to $126. So we are excited to be able to offer a product at the $115.75 mark. Age 70 is $122.36, also very competitive at that age range and lower than most of the competition. And then age 72, we have $128.59, and in this age range, it's significantly lower than most of the competition that's out there. So we're very excited about the opportunity throughout the state, and we feel like that with your help, we can do a lot of business with NGL in this state. Okay, now that we've had a chance to talk about your state and your particular market with the rates that we have with NGL, let's take a few minutes and talk about the reasons agents like to work with us here at Agent Pipeline and some of what we have to offer. From a sales and marketing perspective, we do have a Medicare Supplement Lead program available for a Medicare supplement. We offer that to our direct street level agents, and in the first 90 days of being contracted, if you write 10 Medicare supplements, we'll do a 1,000-piece Medicare supplement mailer for you free of charge to generate leads for you. We're really excited to be able to offer you that program and hope that you take part in it. Next, our marketing team has been working diligently with NGL to create multiple marketing pieces for your use. We have agent recruitment blasts available to you if you're a recruiting agency, and we have client-facing marketing materials for your use as well. Having worked with NGL over the past year to develop this product and the marketing, I can say that we are the NGL experts in the field, and we would love the opportunity to work with you on this particular product and earn your business. A few more reasons that agents choose us. We have been in the business for 29 years. We are a privately owned company and a family started company. As I mentioned previously, my father started the company 29 years ago, and today my brother and I head up the company, and we have 102 employees. So very excited about that. Secondly, we do offer lead and marketing support, some of which I've mentioned on this webinar, and we can go over in more detail if you call in and how we can customize the marketing to your specific need or situation. We also offer product training like the training we've done today in this webinar, as well as sales-specific training, whether it be about Medicare 101 or Medicare Advantage or dual special needs plans or even cancer plans or dental plans. We offer sales-specific training for those as well. On a local market level, we do have 38 local market specialists on staff, and that's just in our senior market alone. They all have a specific territory and states assigned to them so that they are experts in the dynamics of your particular state and the products that are available in your marketplace. From a compliance perspective, we do have an in-house compliance officer. She helps us with marketing approvals and compliance programs. From a Medicare supplement perspective, she would be the one to help if you have a marketing piece that you want to get approved that's not one of the ones we already have that are pre-approved. She can help you with that to make sure that it's in good order. She also, from a Medicare Advantage perspective, helps our Medicare Advantage agents and agencies make sure that they have a compliance plan in place to meet the requirements for those products. One of our most exciting features, though, is our online quoting tool and app. We offer it free to all agents that have at least one contract with us, and it allows you to quote either on your computer, on your iPad, on your phone. It allows you to quote and compare Medicare Supplement and Medicare Advantage products right from your office or right at your client's home. It'll show them all side by side and break them down by price and show the different features. It's a really great tool to use. I use it every day, and we offer it free of service to any agent that contracts with at least one product with us. We also offer top allowable commission on our products, including the NGL product. Whatever level that you qualify for based on NGL's guidelines is the level we want to give you. We want to make sure that you are getting the commission that is due to you. We also have an open release policy in HACT, and we have a robust agent support structure to help you with contracts, commissions, as well as any questions. One nice thing that I like is we have 38 local market specialists. We have a whole agent support team. So anytime that you need our help, whether you're in a client's home or in your office, you can always get somebody on the phone here to help you. You'll have one primary point of contact, but if they are on another call, there are many other people here that can help you. We never want you to call in with a question, especially if you're in a client's home and not get an answer. So it's our goal to make sure that every time you get somebody on the phone that can help you and answer your questions. So what's next? We would love the opportunity to work with you on NGL as well as other products that we have. I would ask that you give us a call and give us an opportunity to earn your business. The number and our website is listed on the screen, and I really appreciate you taking out the time today from your busy schedule to learn more about Agent Pipeline and to learn more about the NGL Medicare supplement. Thank you so much, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.